do you hope to find in the K-pop store?
I'm hoping to find ATEEZ posters, BTS posters, and a colleague of mine wants me to look to see if there's any TXT posters. What else are we doing?
We're at Georgia Aquarium tomorrow, and we'll see kids tomorrow night.
Yes.
We also have reservations on Monday for lunch at Old Lady Gang. For those of you that watch Bravo and
Real Housewives of Atlanta. If you know Candy's
restaurant and her husband's restaurant. So excited. Candy and Todd's
restaurant. So she's excited because she watches the Housewives.
All of them.
All the Housewives, no matter if they're Atlanta, Beverly Hills, you know, all the fun ones. Yeah, we're just going to the K-pop store. We're going to eat dinner tonight and just play it by ear. Yeah. It's going to be a relaxing day. See you soon. Bye. Today what we're going to do is we're going to the K-pop store, which is very popular around here. A lot of people drive a great distance to come here. I mean, I drove 2 hours, so this is the third time I've been here, so I'm really excited. But we're gonna go in. It may be a little busy, but we're gonna see what everybody talks about. So we're in right now. There's stuff literally everywhere. And then if you follow me, they have music videos playing. So you get to listen to your favorite groups, boy groups and girl groups, while you shop throughout. So let's see what they have right now. So you go around everywhere and they have different sections for each group. So for example, we have Astro and Pentagon. They have all their albums here and they're separated by boy group and girl group. Yay! So each group, they get a light stick, and you take these to your concerts. So what the light stick does, you just turn it on. So this one's got 7s, so you turn it on, and you chant your fan chants at concerts. So they have a great selection of light sticks. They have BTS light sticks, NCT light sticks, all these. This has got 7s. I just bought a whole lot.
Huh?
I bought a whole lot. I bought too much. This is too legit to quit. So we just got done in there and bought a lot of stuff. Way more than I needed to buy. But there's new stuff every time I come here, and I've been here 3 times for the past like 2 months. So I I highly recommend you come here if you're a big K-pop fan because you're amongst other K-pop fans. And if you need to locate the building, there are K-pop posters all the outside. So yeah, come visit. Just got back from the K-pop store. It's about like a 30-25 minute drive from center Atlanta. We are now in our hotel room, but I thought I should show you guys what I got because I got so much stuff. So one bed has all my stuff and the other bed has all the stuff that I got from my teammate at work who, her daughters and her love BTS, they love ATEEZ, they love TXT. So I got stuff for her and then of course they got my stuff. So I'll show you both sides. So this is TXT and her daughters love them. So they're a 5-member boy group. So this is just one of their posters. It's the other TXT poster. And these boys range from, I think they're in their late teens, so like 19 to 16. So this is TXT, see how I did them. So this is for my coworkers' daughters. And they like one specific member of the group. So I got a pin. And the lady at the K-pop store was so nice that she even gave me a free postcard to give to her. So here's TXT. So fun fact with the K-pop store, if you spend a certain amount of money, you get a free poster. And you get to choose what poster you get. So she gave me a free TXT poster. See? Say hi to TXT. So this is a free poster I got. They gave it to me. Tomorrow times together TXT. Alright? And then in regards to TXT, I also got some photo cards of them. And what's nice about these is that they have the individual members as well, along with some group shots. So there's that. Now, they also love ATEEZ. And I love ATEEZ. I was actually the one to recommend ATEEZ to my coworker. So they are a boy group. They're an 8-member boy group. They're all from Korea. And they range from late teens to mid-20s with their age. Here they are again. And here is the postcard with ATEEZ. So yeah. And on the back they have all the group shots. So that's really cool. These posters in particular, at the store you get 2 posters, you get the 3rd one free. So I got 6. 4 are going to my teammate and I am taking the other 2. So there's ATEEZ. So we got 2 ATEEZ posters and those cards. Yeah. So she likes BTS too. So in K-pop, when you have a favorite member, they are known as your bias. So our bias is the same, and that is Park Jimin. So I'm gonna show you what I got her. This is Jimin Tumblr. Look, it's got all these little pictures of them. So she was like, I love that, can you get that? And I said, of course. So now we're gonna go to my stuff. And if you know anything about me, BTS is my favorite group. So everything I got is BTS. So I got 2 posters. One of them is like their individual shots, and the other one is a group shot. And those are going at my desk at work. And then I got a Jimin mug because, again, he's my favorite. And I also got a Jimin stand for my desk at work. And with BTS, they have characters, little cartoon characters that kind of look like this. They are known as BT21 characters. So this is Chimmy, and Chimmy is Jimin's character, so that's why I have all these. So this is a little stand for my desk with Chimmy. They're gonna go right next to each other. This is a little pop socket for my phone. That's actually going to go on right now. I have a pen. It's a multicolor ink pen with Chimmy on it. since this is a travel video, I got a luggage tag. So it's going to be a cute little luggage tag to go on your luggage. And it's like a little makeup pouch with shimmy on it. You can see everything is in Korean back there, but it's a shimmy makeup pouch. And the lady again was so nice. She gave me a little free little like postcard. And then of course I got some more free posters. So I actually got 3 free posters with all the things that I purchased. So this is a BTS Love Yourself poster, and this is going in my desk at work. And then my favorite girl group is Twice. They are a 9-member girl group from JYP Entertainment, and they are literally the cutest things in the world. So I got a poster for them. So my free stuff included a Twice poster, a BTS poster. She gave me this nice little postcard. She gave me this TXT poster, and then she also gave me this postcard with the TXT member that my coworker loves. So as you can tell, there's so much stuff. Like, oh my goodness. And I honestly did not spend an arm and a leg. I promise you. I'm not going to tell you how much I spent, but it's not as expensive as you think it is. The amount of stuff in that place was amazing. So follow them on Facebook, follow them on Instagram. I'll put their information below, but they're awesome. And they're also on eBay. So if you're not from around here, they can send stuff through eBay as well. So yeah, I'm excited. I will be back because, you know, this is life. I'll put the address of the place below, because if you like K-pop, go there. If you're in Atlanta, Georgia, just stop by. And when the owners are so nice, they're so cute. It's a family-owned business and they're so cute. So go there. I'll put the stuff below. But yeah, all this stuff, and it's really cute. Bye-bye.